Today, we're staying at the incredible Shangri-La Hotel in Cairns, a luxurious oasis nestled right on the edge of Cairns' stunning waterfront. The rooms here at the Shangri-La are just as impressive as the views. With sleek, contemporary interiors, every room offers panoramic sights. Whether you're overlooking the Marlin Marina, Trinity Bay, the surrounding mountains, or the hotel's lush tropical gardens, it truly feels like a tropical paradise, both inside and out.
This is Cairns in Australia. We are at the Shangri-La Hotel, and this balcony basically just wraps around. Cool. Nice. We're only here for 2 nights, so before we move on to Sydney. All right.
It's nice. This is nice.
Next up, we're heading to the Chapukai Aboriginal Cultural Park, where we'll dive into the rich traditions and history of Australia's Indigenous people. Our guide will take us through the park, offering an authentic glimpse into Aboriginal culture, including some fascinating demonstrations of traditional bush life. While at Chapukai, we had the chance to learn about the different types of boomerangs and how they were used for hunting and daily life.
I have a left and right hand boomerang here. You see the difference? The group on the other side of each other.
Yeah.
We also got hands-on with spears, known as the woomera or miru.
Look, there's a wallaby out there, you see it? Ethan, there's an actual wallaby out there, you see it? You just don't kill that one. We've been trying to kill him for a while.
That was, nah.
Nah, kidding, just kidding. We're vegetarian.
These incredible tools allowed hunters to apply more force, speed, and distance when launching their spears through the water.
I never said I was good at it.
It's not as easy as it looks, but getting to try it out for ourselves really connected us to the skills and knowledge that have been passed down through generations.
Killed the tree. Cool.
You just killed a koala bear in the tree.
Sorry.
Our guide also gave us insight into how didgeridoos are made. Traditionally crafted from eucalyptus trees hollowed out by termites, the didgeridoo holds deep cultural significance and is one of the oldest musical instruments in the world. The sound is mesmerizing, and hearing it in person really makes you appreciate the craftsmanship and the connection to the land that goes into creating each one.
This one here, you're going to go desert. So up past Kuranda, going up to the Atherton Tableland, and you're out in the Savannah Plains, dry country. Yeah? Everybody heard of the termite?
Yeah.
They pest here, like our little toads here running around. So they're the guys who eat our didgeridoo, our tree really. So they start from the bottom, and then they eat their way up. Go to a certain place, go back down, and move on to the next tree. Natural in the bush. Yeah? You don't want to wait that long, cut it down, go and look for an ant nest, put a hole on top, chuck your didgeridoo in there, come back in another couple more weeks, finish. Quicker way. Saving waiting for 6 months. But if you don't want to make yours, just go shop. That's what I do. Anyway, But if you want to make yours, you got to go bush. So look around for termites and white ant mound. So there's a big white ant mound. They eat that. You can do that. So feel on an object. Tapping on my tree. What am I listening for? That's it. If I don't know the tree is hollow, like I said before, termites make their way in through the bottom, eat their way up, go back down, and then move on to the next tree. So, can't cut it down with my axe or my saw, so I'll pull out my chainsaw. He's got it at home. The tree is all over. Termites and white ants. Done a very good job. Yep. Can everybody see?
Yeah.
So, eaten right through. Yeah? Done a very clean job. So that's done natural in the bush. Yeah? So then it's up to me to clean it up. Now, notice we're going to get the top bark off, then the second layer, and then we're right down to the flesh. This one here is a stringy bloodwood. How do I know? Still got that bark on it. So that's how I know. Not just only certain tree around, you get river gum, malleewood, wandoo, coolabah, stringy bark, red gum, stringy bloodwood, white gum, yellow gum. So all different kinds of trees. Yeah? So, clean it up. Now we're going to get our spear, put it right through, because we've got to get all the inside waste out with the termites and white ants have left. Clean it out if you're next to water, or you can save it till you get up. Now, get the top bark, second bark, right into the flesh. If I do get holes in my didgeridoo, I can always fill it back up with native beeswax. Very important. Put it in the hole, seal it over, sand it, seal it. If you want to paint it, design it, or leave it like it is, up to you. Do not forget about the native beeswax. Very important. That there to keep my lips comfort and moist. So without that, I could bust my lips or split my gums. No good. There you have it, your own Aboriginal wind instrument. For saving you all the trouble going bush, getting lost. I just said it before. To the shop. How to play it? Well, there's 3 steps. One is you must blow softly like this. Anybody played the trumpet? No? Yeah? Does your mouthpiece look like a trumpet?
Not that big.
Yeah, I can imagine.
Tuba.
Yeah, you can say. So, if you blow it like a trumpet, this is what sound you're gonna get. Anybody came on the boat this morning? Softly, raspy, natural. Yeah?
Yeah.
Real easy. For me, it's might be complicated for you. But if you got lips like Mick Jagger, or Jay-Z, you can't blow that way. That was a joke. Anyway, animal noise. So, what's the symbol of Australia? So just imagine a large kangaroo hopping down the road. Yeah? I'm just using my tongue to go up and down to make the sound. Second one would be, that's the last one. Yeah, we'll get to that. Bingo. They're similar to a wolf or a coyote, not your chihuahua. Bingo. Bingo. And the last one would be the laughing bird of Australia, kookaburra. It could give you a sore throat too. So, yeah. Now the last step. Well, you can't blow without what? Yes, or you will pass out. You can't breathe, or you will. We'll start with breathing. Can anybody try that? Or demonstrate? Make sure you have a clean sinuses because you are breathing in through your nose. Okay? Like this. It's easy. I just showed you. It's very, very easy. I say that's the best way to beat a breathalyzer. Yeah, do not try it anyway. It's like with breathing. I tried to try it. The sergeant said, get off.
I've always wanted to play a didgeridoo, and I've always wanted to get one. Now that I'm in Australia, I'm like, hey, we're gonna buy a didgeridoo.
Yeah, we're gonna put it in the studio.
Yeah, this is it being packed. So yeah, I'll show you what the didgeridoos actually look like when they're not packed. The one that we bought is like one of these. So yeah, now we gotta learn how to play a didgeridoo. There's our didgeridoo! It's coming! See? It's being wrapped and ready to ship. Our didgeridoo, we should get it in 2 weeks. Go board our train back at our leisure.
Kuranda Scenic Railway, old-fashioned cute.
Alright, let's go. Grab your bags.
Heading back to the hotel, we are hopping on the Kuranda Scenic Railway. A historic journey that takes us through the heart of the tropical rainforest. This railway has been around since the 1800s and winds its way through tunnels, across bridges, and past some of the most breathtaking waterfalls and views you'll ever see. Every turn reveals a new vista, from dramatic gorges to lush forest canopies. It's hard to believe this was all built by hand over a century ago, and riding it now is like stepping back in time. After an amazing time here in Cairns, it's time to head to the airport and catch our flight to Sydney. There's so much more ahead as we continue our journey through Australia. In our next episode, we'll be exploring the capital city, Sydney, so make sure you don't miss it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe as we close out this episode. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in Sydney.
Local time is 25 minutes past 3. For everyone's safety, please keep your seatbelt fastened and the aisles next to clear until the seatbelt sign is switched off. Take care when you open the lockers above, make sure you have everything before you leave. Due to the weather outside, we'll be disembarking through the forward door only. If they're close by, you can use handheld devices with flight mode turned off. Smoking and the use of electronic cigarettes is not allowed throughout the terminal. If you have an international connection on Virgin Australia or one of our partner airlines, head over to our transfer desk at gate 46. Thanks for flying Virgin Australia. We're glad looking after you. Have a safe journey, and we'll see you next time.